Hey guys, what's up? It's Faizan playing Gangster Vegas. Hey guys, it is Doolittle playing Gangster Vegas. And guys, today we are going to ride on this awesome bike. The my so guys, my friend just sent me. My friend also have a channel on YouTube. I will give you the link on the description and comment box. But guys, he's my awesome friend and best friend. Like I don't meet him in real life, but he's awesome. I am talking with him, and I know him as a WhatsApp friend or Messenger friend. But you know, guys, this thing is so awesome. He sent me this awesome gift. I would really like to thank him. Thank you, bro. Thank you for sending me this gift. And yeah, let's review this vehicle. So this is the vehicle actually. Let me show you. Okay, this is the vehicle. The name of the vehicle is MT-4W level 1. So this is a great vehicle and I like this vehicle really very. And if okay, wait. We just delivered it in another color. No, never mind. So if you will compare it with Hulbert Limited, it is actually it says Hulbert Limited is like 236 kilometer per hour, is like 153 kilometer per hour. This is like 3.66 seconds to accelerate. It is like 4.30 seconds to accelerate, and it's like 412 power, and it's like 3500 power. So it is basically loose against Hulbert. But if you will compare it with HXR is 235 per hour. It is like 153 per hour. 2.60, it's like 4.30, it's like 300, and it's like 300 and 3500, and it was 3000. So yeah, this is a good vehicle actually and looking awesome. Thanks a lot, my friend. And let's go and review this vehicle. By the way, where is my vehicle? I am not sure. We just delivered it in another color, I guess. Oh, we just delivered in black. Black looks amazing, you know. And yeah, this is a great vehicle. Let's ride on this. Wow. Look at the sound. It looks amazing, you know. Whoa. Look at the vehicle, man. You know what, actually, the greatest vehicle in the whole Vegas, like awesome, you know. Just keep it with your every time, like, oh, but let me change my outfit first. Oh, that's look amazing, black with black. I know. Wow, look at this. That's look great, man. That's really looks so great. By the way, subscribe my friend's channel. I will show you the link in the description and in the comment box. But this is awesome. I'm pinning it. I'm really feeling this. So awesome, man. So awesome. Wow, look at this. So this is the time to play this awesomest mission.
Drive to this location. We have to meet Racer Girl.
Who's Racer Girl?
She's Racer Girl.
Oh, gotcha.
Racer girl.
So, Muscles, what made you decide not to...
Okay, we are reaching to the racer girl. Oh, by the way, join my gang in Gangster Vegas. It's Mafia Don. Okay.
Racer Girl! How are you, my darling?
I'd be better if I had some of your bitches brew.
A new batch will be ready tomorrow, my sweet.
That's what I like to hear. Who's your friend?
Jason, meet Racer Girl. Racer Girl? Jason, a new driver.
Sweet. Hope you can keep up. You driving too, E?
No, just along for the ride.
Then hop in. Show's about to start.
Okay, let's show. Let's go. Hopefully we just crossed lap 1 and we are like third, you know. This is so damn. But trust me guys, we will win the race. Ha, sucky sucker. Wow, that's good. That's good enough. We are more faster, man. I can't drive more faster. We are actually awesome faster. So yeah, we are third.
Seems like you could really handle some dangerous curves.
I can handle anything you throw at me.
Good to know. There's always other races going on in Vegas, you know. If you find yourself strapped for cash, hit one up.
Yeah, I might do that.
See you around.
Okay, baby. That's good enough. That's good enough. So guys, this was awesome race, and yeah, I thought it would be if I can pick my awesome vehicle with me. Okay, which vehicle is this? This is looking chotu, like, wait. This is a good vehicle, by the way. So well guys, this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel and hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment, and wait, there's something remaining, right? Like. So guys, this is a time for the big giveaway, and today's giveaway winner is, wait, today's giveaway winner is who's the giveaway winner today? I'm not sure. Okay. So guys, today's giveaway winner is Malik Awais, and he just asked me for a highway level 3, and I just give it to him. As you can see, I just sent a gift already to him, but this is not the first giveaway winner. Today we have another giveaway winner, and another giveaway winner is like Jason Snathanam. Yeah, Jason Snathanam. So yeah, he's the today's giveaway winner, but actually he guy is a hacker, so I don't want to give him anything. He always he has everything, you know, every a single thing he's owned. So I'm not sure if I will give him something, but and that's my best friend MD Naseem. He's also a hacker guy, and I'm not sure if I will send something to someone. I'm really not sure. Let's send to someone. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's send to Aftaf Prince, but I'm not sure what we will give it to him. I think I would give him this HXR level 1 or something. Let's give it to him, HXR level 1. It's good for you, man. Send it. Let's done. So yeah guys, the giveaway ends. Today we got 2 new giveaway player, and I'm waiting for all of your giveaways. Just follow the rules of my giveaway. I have wrote the rules in the description. Make sure to participate in my giveaways, because I'm sending awesome things to everyone who participate in my giveaways. So yeah, let's blast the out party. Boom. Right?